Hi there, and welcome to your Easy Mode tutorial. Today we are going to show you how easy it is to create a campaign with just a couple of simple clicks. When you are in the Advertise menu, you'll see you have the option to connect your account. Remember, this is the first step, and it's very important that you do it before moving on. Next, if you scroll down, you will be able to see all the creation settings. The first thing you'll see is this box to describe what you are advertising. This is the prompt section. AI-driven. If you click to open this menu, you'll find the options to choose images and videos for your ads. By either clicking on images or videos, you'll have access to the entire creative library and options. You have access to Shutterstock, to Meme Generator, your own content from your Facebook or Instagram accounts, your website, and even prompt with DALL-E. For videos, you have the option to play with AI avatars. When you are ready, you can confirm your selection. The next step is selecting your goal, and remember, this is usually related to what's the action you want your potential customers to perform. You can select between leads, messages, phone calls, or traffic. In this case, I'm going to select leads. The next step is selecting your budget per day. This is a bar that you can slide. The next step is adding your target location. So in this case, you can work with cities, states, countries, regions, zip codes, or you can even scroll down, get to the map, and pin specific places. Zoom in the map, click, and select any specific location. The last step is going to be creating your campaign. And as you can see, this is reading your website, understanding your business, generating the content, and writing the ad copy for your business. Now, you will be able to do a couple of things, like edit your ad, edit your budget, or even editing the leads form. Before you move along, you will be able to play with different text and update the lead form you want to use. And when you are ready, you can click to launch the campaign, or you can schedule it. That's how easy it is to create a campaign that really performs.